This sounds impossible, but it's true. A mathematician in ancient India figured out that the Earth rotates on its axis over 1,000 years before Europe accepted it. No telescope, no modern tools. Growing up, I was taught that discoveries about Earth's motion came from scientists like Galileo Galilei or Nicolaus Copernicus. But no one mentioned that centuries earlier, a man had already explained this idea. His name was Aryabhata. Around 499 CE, Aryabhata wrote a text called the Aryabhatiya. Inside it, he made a bold statement. The Earth is not stationary. It rotates on its axis. This wasn't mythology or philosophy. He explained it using logic and observation. He said that the apparent movement of stars across the sky is not because the stars are moving. It's because the Earth itself is rotating. Think about that. Aryabhata even gave an analogy that feels incredibly modern. He said when you're sitting in a moving boat, the shore appears to move backward, even though it's actually still. In the same way, the stars appear to move across the sky because we are the ones moving. This is exactly how motion relativity is explained today. Here's what makes this even more insane. At that time, many civilizations believed the Earth was fixed, and everything else revolved around it. Even in Europe, this idea of a moving Earth was rejected for centuries. Yet in India, over 1,000 years earlier, Aryabhata openly described Earth's rotation without fear. This completely changed how I see ancient knowledge systems. It didn't stop there. Aryabhata also calculated the length of a day with impressive accuracy. 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 4 seconds. That's incredibly close to what modern science says today. He also worked on planetary motion eclipses, explaining them scientifically, not mythologically, mathematical concepts like sine functions. Yeah, this wasn't guesswork. This was advanced science. So why didn't I learn this earlier? Simple. History is often told from a limited perspective, many contributions from ancient India, but when you actually look deeper, India wasn't just following knowledge, it was creating it. As someone discovering this from the outside, this completely changed my perception. Aryabhata didn't just make calculations. He challenged how humans understood the universe, and he did it over 1,500 years ago. Makes you wonder how many more discoveries like this are still hidden in history. If you want more surprising discoveries from India that the world doesn't talk about, subscribe because this is just the beginning.